And now for all the details. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated virtually as India and the ASEAN nations strengthened their bond at the 22nd ASEAN-India Summit on Sunday in Kuala Lumpur. The Prime Minister in his address stated that terrorism poses a serious challenge to global peace and security. PM Modi and leaders of the grouping jointly reviewed progress in ASEAN-India relations and discussed initiatives to strengthen the comprehensive strategic partnership. PM Modi also emphasized the early review of the ASEAN-India FTA to strengthen regional cooperation. He also announced extended support for the implementation of the ASEAN-India Plan of Action to implement the ASEAN-India Comprehensive Strategic Partnership 2026 to 2030. In a post on X, Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar on Sunday shared pictures of his talks with Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim on the sidelines of the summit and conveyed Prime Minister Modi's best wishes for the successful event. The three-day summit, which began on Sunday, has brought together leaders from the 11-member bloc and dialogue partners, including the United States, China, Japan and Korea.
भारत और आसियान मिलकर विश्व की लगभग 1/4 जनसंख्या को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। हम सिर्फ ज्योग्राफी ही शेयर नहीं करते, हम गहरे ऐतिहासिक संबंधों और साझे मूल्यों की डोर से भी जुड़े हुए हैं। हम ग्लोबल साउथ के सहयात्री हैं। हम केवल व्यापारिक नहीं, सांस्कृतिक साझेदार भी हैं। आसियान भारत की एक्ट ईस्ट पॉलिसी का मुख्य स्तंभ है। भारत सदैव आसियान सेंट्रलिटी और इंडो पैसिफिक पर आसियान के आउटलुक का पूर्ण समर्थन करता रहा है।